Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. So today we are going to be looking at two methods. So the first method we'll be looking at is logging in using your URL. So it will be your website that whatever your domain is /wp-admin. So let's take a look at this method. And we are using InstaWP to set up our WordPress installation. And this service allows you to launch a WordPress installation in under 1 minute. And it does everything for you, such as setting up SSL. So check it out, instawp.io. All right, so we are going to try the first method. So we just want to go over to the top to our URL bar. And we just want to type our website URL /wp-admin. So let's type so for example, it's your site, your website name dot your domain, for example, XYZ or .com /wp-admin. So in our case, what we need to do is replace this URL with our actual website. And I'm going to open a new incognito window. So I'm doing this because an incognito window would not save any browsing data. So I'm just going to open this. So I'm just going to log into this website in a new window just to avoid logging out in the original window. So we just want to copy the first part, our website.our domain. And let's go back to our incognito window, our new window, and paste it in the URL bar. And all we have to do is type /wp-admin. Press enter. All right, so this is our login window. So we can just type in our username and password here. So let us type our username. It's test87. And we are going to paste our password right now. So I'm going to paste the password. So once we have pasted our password, we can either just click the login button, or we could check this box that says remember me if we want to save our login information. But let's log in right now. All right, so we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. And some people may find that having to type all of this and remember this whole URL sequence may be a little too much. So you can also bookmark this link. I've already bookmarked it, but let me just delete the bookmark that I've already created. So I'm going to delete this bookmark and show you how to add a new one. So we just want to click on the star and click add bookmark. So we want to rename this. Let's say my website login. And we can add this to our bookmarks folder, the bookmarks bar, sorry, or we can add a new folder. But let's just leave it at the bookmarks bar. All right, so let's test this. Let's open a new incognito window. Again, we're only opening an incognito window just to avoid logging out. So you see we have our bookmark here. And this is where we log in. So if we type test87 and paste our password, click login, we see that we're now at our dashboard. And our website is bookmarked, so we can always just use our bookmark to log in when needed. And I'm going to show you guys the final method, and this involves logging in from your website. So from any page, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, let's just scroll, and we need to find our footer. So on the footer, we have something called our meta. So if we look, we see there's a site admin link under our meta section. So if we click this, you see we can enter our username and password. So let's log in, test87. And for password, let's just paste our password and click login. All right, so we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard using two different methods. And once again, using an incognito window is not necessary. I only use this because I did not want to log out of the original window. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps. See you guys in another video.